Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you a new setting with miniatures, but they're not the normal miniatures. The usual miniatures that I share with you are more or less the 1.12 scale in my dollhouses, but these are oversized miniatures that I decided to share with you because I was working on a project, and it's this priority mailbox that I made a hole in just to place the light there. It's a Dollar Tree operated light, and I made this the background along with this other background for my godmother because I'm going to be sending it to her. But after I made the backgrounds, I fell in love with them, and I said, wait a minute, before I give it to her, I'm going to use them for other miniature shares. And here we are. So now this box has a story. This lady here is organizing a tea party, and here are all her teapots and everything. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. And then there are more over here. These are actually salt and pepper. See them with the little holes? And I get all these at flea markets, yard sales, thrift shops, anywhere where I can get my hands on them. So going back to her, let's look at her pretty dress. And guess what? I have a whole bunch of these with different dresses, different colors, and I got them at a flea market last year. I think there were like 15 of them, and then I had like 3 additional ones, and my mother had another one. So I have a whole bunch, and I'm going to be using them as guests for this tea party that she's organizing. But look at her beautiful dress. Look at that. I love how these pieces, I don't know how much they would have been in the store, but I got them for $1 each. Look at that, how beautiful. So like I said, I have many of these, and I'm going to incorporate them in here, and it'll make a beautiful tea party and a beautiful video to bring you. And thanks for watching.